Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view or check your account status on TikTok to see if your account is in good standing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select the profile button in the bottom right. And then underneath your bio information, select TikTok Studio. Underneath more tools, select the account check button and give this a moment to run. And it says that we are in good standing. So that's pretty much all you have to do. And like I said, pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.